So, Russian. Hi everyone, my name is Ilya and today we're gonna talk about possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are pronouns that mean possession, obviously. In this video, you'll learn how to say things like, for example, my computer, or your girlfriend, or our friends, and so on. Let's get it started. Here are personal pronouns. Я, ты, мы, он, она, они. Let's change them into possessive ones. But first of all, I have to say that there are two groups of possessive pronouns. Some of them change their form according to the gender or amount, singular or plural, of an object of possession. So you have to know how to reveal the gender and amount of a noun. And we had videos about it. Here's a link to a video about gender of a noun, and here's a video about singular and plural nouns. Check it out, guys. And some of possessive pronouns save their form because they depend not on an object of possession, but on a subject of possession. Let's have a look. Let's start with the first group. Pronoun I, я. When you talk about something that is masculine, you have to use the word мой. For example, мой университет, my university. Университет is masculine, so you use мой. Let's go on. Моя. For example, моя машина, my car. Car is feminine, so моя. Моё. For example, my invitation, моё приглашение. Приглашение is neuter, so моё приглашение. And if you possess something in plural, like if you've got lots of friends, for example, I don't know, it is not that rare, actually. Okay. So, if you've got lots of friends, you have to say, these are my friends. Это мои друзья. Use this form. Russian language is cool. Now let's take a pronoun ты, you. So for masculine you use твой, твой компьютер, твоя, твоя девушка, например, твое окно, for example, your window. For example, your window is broken, твое окно разбито. I don't know the situation you can say this. I hope you never be in this situation. Okay, and for example, твои успехи, your successes in Russian. Let's take a pronoun we, мы. If you talk about something that is masculine, you have to use the word наш. For example, you know in Russia, some people say that Крым наш, but we disagree with it actually. I think we're gonna go to jail after this video. So the word наша, for example, наша дружба, our friendship. Friendship is feminine, so you have to use the word наша. Okay, let's go on the word наша. For example, our radio, наше радио, and the word наши, наши дома, our houses or our buildings. Yes, you have to use the word наши for plural. Let's take the second group of pronouns. Do you remember they save their form and they don't depend on the gender or amount of a noun you're talking about? For example, for a personal pronoun he, он, you will always use его. For example, his mother, его мама, or his father, его отец, or his window, его окно. It saves its form always. If you're talking about a male, of course, or someone who's got masculine gender, you know. And this is the same with pronouns она and они. So, her is always ее стул, her chair, or ее поле, for example, her field, you know. And for a pronoun они, it's the same situation. For example, their table, их стол, or their flowers, их цветы. It's always их. And that's it. There is no exceptions for this rule, so I think it's quite easy for you to understand. If this video was useful for you, like it and subscribe the channel if you still don't. If you've got any questions left, write it in comments and I'll answer you with great pleasure. Girls and boys, see ya!